For WHSmith, corporate responsibility is not about marketing and PR, and I think that's pretty obvious when you see that WHSmith isn't one of those companies that's out there being really flashy and really jumping up and down about all the work that we do, because we do quite a lot of work in corporate responsibility. It is a commitment, but like I said, it's a commitment that also makes a lot of good business sense. It's the sustainable business movement, really, that the company is engaging in. Well, we've been able to achieve quite a bit of energy reduction and therefore carbon reduction. We report an absolute carbon footprint in our CR reports, and we've had positive downward trends, which we're really happy about. We've also been able to achieve some significant energy reduction, especially on our high street stores. And that's all been really done through active management of staff. Our staff work very hard to make sure that our stores are running efficiently, and then also being able to use energy efficient equipment. For a company like WHSmith, we almost in essence have two sets of staff that have to be engaged in different ways. The staff who work in our stores have to be engaged to really be the people at the forefront of this and to be operating whether it's energy efficient equipment or different techniques to be able to manage the stores in an efficient way, and that directly reduces our carbon emissions. To be able to engage them has really been something that's focused on making it real. What are we doing that makes them be able to understand their direct actions can have a positive impact? So there's been a lot of training. We've also had more fun things like energy and environmental champions. This has been really positive. Almost in every store you'll find someone who really takes these issues to heart, and they really help to rally the store staff to get everyone involved. We've also had competitions in stores to be able to see who can be the most energy efficient. Those kinds of things, just to make it more practical. Well, we have seen that our CR activities help to support our customer relations and sometimes offer incentives for customers, new customers, to come into our stores. We do a lot of work with the Woodland Trust, and the Woodland Trust is one of the national organizations that supports biodiversity. And through the work that we do with them, be it our carrier bag reduction and the Bags for Life that we sell, which lead to a donation to the Woodland Trust, and also the Christmas card recycling scheme that we run with the Woodland Trust, that allows the organization to be able to plant trees and to be able to capture carbon. So it's a bit indirect, but because we have those things, it has been of interest to customers and to new customers. With the new government, one of the questions that everyone is asking is how serious are they going to take environmental issues, specifically climate change. There was a lot of talk in the previous government that more funding was going to be given to green tech, that sort of area. So I think what we'd like to see, generally speaking, is that kind of support and further. And if there is that kind of support, then we'll be able to potentially apply it to our stores.